Sister Wives, fans compare the Browns and Sister Wives to Stranger Things. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. What do the Brown family from Sister Wives and the cast of Stranger Things have in common? At first glance, fans might not find very much in common at all. But upon further glance, they could find more than meets the eye. One thing is absolutely certain, the Browns' lives have completely transformed from their days in Utah. Longtime Sister Wives fans know that the Brown family members are nothing like the way they were in season 1. Multiple moves and shifting family dynamics sparked the original 3 wives to leave Cody. Today, the family is completely fractured as the wives go their separate ways. And that's precisely why viewers think it's almost like they're living in the upside down world from Netflix Stranger Things. I know it's been said ad nauseum, one Redditor titled their post online. Watching season 1 as opposed to later seasons, Cody is a totally different person. The marriages, the original 3 wives, everything is completely different. Reminds me of Stranger Things worlds, regular versus the upside down. How bizarre. Yes. His change in personality, priorities, family values is so obvious and sad, another Redditor replied. I've wondered if the last few months have pushed him to hopefully self-reflect and see where he went wrong. Not all the ways he failed his entire original family. He can still salvage relationships if he really works at it. Others replied and said they didn't think Cody Brown was capable of self-reflection. He tends to put himself and Robin needs above everyone else in the family without much regret. Other Sister Wives viewers suggested that Cody Brown was always this way. He simply put on his best behavior. As time went on and Janelle, Christine, and Mary started expressing their discontent, the facade completely crumbled. Is there really a path to redemption for Cody Brown? Although at least one Redditor thought there was a way for Cody Brown to make amends with his estranged family members, others aren't so sure. The family patriarch had a very strained relationship with his sons Gabriel and Garrison. Garrison sadly took his own life at the beginning of March 2024. After this family tragedy, many Sister Wives fans don't believe there's any room for Cody to repair his broken familial relationships. Seeking Sister Wife fans hate that Danielle Merrifield's husband, Garrick, puts her through hell, so they want her to leave him, like Christine Brown did in Sister Wives. But are they likely to split? Actually, there are some parallels between Mary Brown and Danielle, because their husbands divorced them. Plus, there are some rumors that Cody Brown is actively looking for a new wife. Danielle Merrifield needs to run from Garrick. TLC fans can't stand Garrick Merrifield, and they gave him the nickname Ick. In fact, on social media, they believe that he a creepy pervert because he looks for younger women. Always trying to impregnate them seems a bit off. Meanwhile, his now divorced wife spends most of her time crying about the situation. God told him to do it, but she obviously hates it. Garrick once said God hasn't delivered her from jealousy. Danielle Merrifield should do the same as the Sister Wives, Stars and Get Out, TLC fans agree. So far, Garrick has managed to not marry Leah, Roberta, and Natalia. Meanwhile, Cody Brown managed to lose 3 wives, Christine, Mary, and Janelle. Notably, all of them seem to be in a better place without polygamy. Recently, the Seeking Sister Wife star spoke about them on an Instagram live. In Touch Weekly reported about the live session by Danielle. This week, it came in the form of a Q&A, and a fan wondered if she and her husband might end up splitting. In other words, if the TLC stars ever get anyone to marry Garrick, would she leave as Christine, Mary, and Janelle did? I think it's kind of a moot point because that's like saying in monogamous relationships, if somebody gets divorced, that means marriage just doesn't work. But that's not true. I feel like in any relationship, there's struggles, there are trials, there are things you have to work through. And some relationships work, and some don't. So yeah, that's my take on that. The Seeking Sister Wife star also mentioned that she watches the Sister Wives show on TLC, and she admired the life that they had during the good old days. As she watched it for many years, perhaps that's what attracted her to the idea of polygamous life in the first place. Recently, Sister Wives fans have noticed that Christine and Janelle Brown haven't been together as much since Garrison Brown's tragic passing. While the loss impacts each family member differently, some people are wondering if the friendship between Christine and Janelle has been affected. Christine and Janelle Brown became much closer after Cody. Undeniably, the Brown family is still trying to journey on without their beloved Garrison Brown. When Christine and Cody Brown split, part of Christine's grieving process was to grow closer to Janelle Brown. Without the man between them, they found they truly enjoyed one another company. However, the world can be cruel and throw unexpected turns like the loss of a child. Since the passing of Garrison, individually Christine and Janelle have been working through their love and loss of a son. Understandably, it is taking its toll on the entire family. Although Janelle Brown has been using her time to reconnect with family across the country, some fans note they haven't seen much interaction between Christine and Janelle for a while. For instance, on Reddit, one fan asks, "Has Christine moved on from Janelle?" Then explains their question, saying, "Curious if the ride or die besties phase has ended already now that Christine has settled in with her husband and new family. Or is Janelle just sick of Michael T? Understandable." The girl poll posts definitely seem less frequent now. I don't follow the MLM juice, but there haven't been many posts frequently. After the initial post, other sister wives chimed in about the duo less frequent interaction. Undoubtedly, life has changed drastically for both Christine and Janelle Brown. Fans were quick to discuss what they noticed. Janelle has been in it since the funeral. "I'm sure they're just fine. But grief changes things. Janelle has been spending a lot of time with her kids. She traveled with Logan and Michelle for the eclipse. There was a Thanksgiving-style dinner in Flagstaff with Gabe, Savannah, and some friends for an international student. She gone back and forth to Muddy a few times visiting her grandkids, and she planting a garden there with Muddy. Janelle is a grieving mother. I'm sure she is naturally gravitating towards her children and grandchildren. I doubt it's deeper than that. It does seem like she's been in it a lot." Christine may also be taking a step back from featuring Janelle in some of her social media posts, while Janelle is coping with her son's death. While Garrison Brown's death has affected both Christine and Janelle Brown, their lives were changing greatly even before his passing. Within the Reddit conversation, other Sister Wives viewers note some of the differences since the last season was filmed. "I think Janelle needs time and space to focus on her children and grieve. I think Christine is grieving and focusing on her husband, and truly. Obviously, this could have been a triggering event for David. Truly is rather sensitive. I believe this has been a life-changing event for her, and traumatic. Over the last few years, Truly has been through a divorce, relocation, a family death and other typical teen struggles. It's very weird that you think we somehow see every moment of these women's lives. Posts don't mean that they're close, and the absence of posts don't mean that they're not talking. They just suffered a huge loss. Janelle is out and about with her kids and Christine is trying to build her new life in Utah. The audience is sometimes very unkind to them for just being normal people. While other fans wonder if they were actually besties in the first place or if it was hyped by producers to add to the show. Additionally, Both are currently posting on their MLM Instagram page. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.